Hey ladies, I did a video a few months back sharing with you how much I love good bath salts. One of my favorites is Dr. Teal's. Well, I was scrolling through my Instagram and I followed Dr. Teal's and I saw that they were having a contest and I entered and I won, okay? So I just wanted to share with you what they sent me. I'm just now opening it up. And I'm excited. Oh, I should have unwrapped all this. Oh, okay. Let me get my glasses. Oh, they ain't even the right side. Lavender. Oh, lavender essential oil. Oh, nice. I don't know if you can see that. What else? Oh my God, it's a lot of stuff. I'm so glad I entered. I don't usually do that. Oh, yeah. I'm familiar with this one. The foaming bath. Big bottle. Wow. Oh, they sent everything. This is nice. Merry Christmas to me. Lotion. And lavender is one of my favorites anyway. So, yeah, perfect. So glad. The body wash. And the salt. Yes. Okay. Oh, that's it. That's enough, huh? This one I'm very familiar with. I love the salt. The foaming bath is wonderful. It's a great bubble bath. Gives off lots and lots of bubbles. And the body wash is really nice. The only one that I personally haven't used is the lotion, so I'm looking forward to that. Just wanted to pass that on. If you haven't tried Dr. Teal's, they have all kinds of scents. They are in and I haven't tried this one either, the oil. They are at Target, Walmart, CVS. All the drugstores carry it, but usually you can only get the eucalyptus and the lavender. I've gotten the rosemary also, but if you go online, you can order a lot of other. They have orange and they have all kinds. I want to check some more of those out. But anyway, just wanted to share that. I take my the rosemary, the lavender, and I mix it with. I'm thinking rosemary, but the rosemary I mix with the eucalyptus. The lavender, I put some raw oatmeal in the blender or the NutriBullet and turn it into a powder and put that in with the Epsom salt. It makes a really nice bath. Okay. All right. Enjoy.